Woodward in blue side. A good kick there from Woodward is throwing his heavy blows there. Woodward trying to push Sharak. Sharak off. These are big guys. Let's expect heavy blows. Woodward, southpaw, Sharak, orthodox fighter. Staying out of the corner of the platform. Still Woodward, both athletes throwing their punches. Sharak on red, Woodward on blue. 1 point for red. Handed fighter, Sharak on the red side, right-handed fighter. Another good thing. Throw some punches there in the clinch. That's a good punch, a good score there. Another fall of the Sharak off the platform, and I think he's doing it again. And Sharak this time still the punches of Woodward. Woodward is throwing punches. Another push of the platform. Off, then that's not a fall out. He's pushing him again, and now he's successful. Hard. And he is our gold medalist in our 85 kilogram men's division of the.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?